Paragon 360 team listened to our desires, and they really delivered in this project. We had a unique set of items that we really wanted that most churches may not have asked for. So we were a little bit worried at the beginning, like, are they going to listen to us? Or are they going to give us a template we need to fall into? But it wasn't the case. It was they listened to what we needed, and everything that came back just worked out great from that. In a previous system we were always spending a lot of money when we had concerts, had artists in, that to rent subs, extra equipment, supplemental equipment that they would needed to work out on a tech rider. But with the P360 team, from the very beginning, that was one of our requests, to come in and let's get a system that has enough headroom that we need for concert level SPLs, but then also what we need in the room itself. They did a great job because we just had an elevation worship a few weeks ago, and the guys were just blown away sitting behind the consoles and listening to what the system and the headroom they had, pushing it at the end of a song. It was just amazing. We had a unique request about having a system design where it would just work with one or two operators. In most production control rooms and all that, we would never set it up this way in a professional environment, but what's so unique about Paragon 360 team, they were able to meet that desire that we had. We can control this whole control room in here with just one or two people. And that really, really helps out when we have funerals, when we have special events at the church that our volunteer team, we wouldn't want to call them in to do that. But on a normal Sunday, we can have 6, 7 guys in here. Works great, but then we can also have as few as 2 and actually do everything we need to do. We just finished a renovation in our foyer about 1.5 years ago, and we had a lot of finishes in there we wanted to carry into the worship center. So when we had that, we were just really worried, okay, would the P360 team be able to take what we have in the foyer, bring it into the worship center and the vastness of it, but also keep the cost down. And the quality, the cost, and the final product was just amazing, that they were able to adapt. What you see in our foyer, it looks like it's a master project. It's like it was done at the same time. So we really were happy with that. The staff team at Paragon 360 were just great. They listened to everything that we had, and with other companies we work with, that hadn't been the case. It's like, they don't even want to talk to you on the phone. But I love that I had a cell phone number from all the guys here that said, you know what, if you have a problem, you call me at any time. And that meant a lot. That went a long way with us. You know, when I go back and think about what we had before and then what we have now, it's just truly transformational. Our mission statement is carrying the transforming love of Jesus to every longing heart. And we saw our transformation in the room. We're able to do that with this room. The flexibility of the modular staging, the control of the lighting we have now, making the room feel more intimate. It was a pretty large room with 1,200 seats before, went down to 1,100 seats now, but painting the ceiling black, drawing it down, it's a much more intimate room. So the P360 guys working with us to make that modular system work, customized staging, it just truly made the room transformational.